Welcome sa InvestEd. So today, we are going to discuss companies with high earning forecasted in the next 1 to 2 years. Okay guys, so yung focus lang natin dito yung forecasted net income ng company. And also, ano ba yung position ng mga analysts sa company. Konting disclaimer lang. So, itong mababanggit natin ditong stocks ay hindi to recommendation. Bagkos ito ay study na ginawa ko sa stocks na mababanggit natin dito. And also, guys, yung mababanggit natin ditong stocks, hindi natin siya i-full review bagkos ang focus lang natin dito yung forecasted earnings company and ano pa yung financial health ngayon ng company. Okay guys, so kung ready na kayo, let's start and see you on the other side. Ako so yung tinutukoy natin ditong company ay ang company Bell Corporations. So sa Bell Corporation is a developer of tourism and leisure destinations in the Philippines. It is uniquely positioned to capture the high growth of premium leisure travel in the country. Okay, so established developer of premium destinations, a City of Dreams Manila Integrated Entertainment Complex, and Tagaytay Highland Residential and Mixed-Use Mountain Resort. And also, the unique exposure to a growing Philippine gaming sectors, na guaranteed share of gaming revenue of City of Dreams Manila, and mamay titakal natin to, and reliable revenue from Pacific Online System Corporation, provider of lottery and Kino equipment to the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. So ito yung nakapaloob sa Bell Corporations. Okay, this is the portfolio structure ni Bell Corporations. Kung titignan natin dito guys sa gaming, sa PLC or Premium Leisure Corporation, meron silang 78.7% ownership and 100% ownership sa Premium Leisure and Amusement Incorporated and 50% ownership sa Pacific Online System Corporation. And pagdating sa real estate, meron silang 100% ownership sa City of Dreams Manila and Tagaytay Highlands. And pagdating sa portfolio investment nila, nandito yung APC Group Incorporated na meron 48.8% ownership and less than 1% ownership sa SM Prime Holdings Incorporated. Okay, so this is the portfolio structure ng company. Okay, na kung titignan natin dito sa ating screener, yung company Bell Corporations, nakikita natin dito yung 52-week high ng company and 52-week low. Nakikita natin yung 52-week high ng company ay nasa 1.86 pesos per share and yung 52-week low ay nasa 1 pesos per share. I guess, so kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel, itong nakikita nyong screener ay libre to, Kung gusto nyong magamit itong ating screener, okay, so nasa descriptions natin yung link nitong ating screener. And kung gusto niyo naman malaman kung paano ginagamit yung ating screener, so nasa dulo ng ating video yung walkthrough ng ating screener. Okay? And nakagandaan dito guys, bago ko makalimutan, syempre ito ay libre lang na binibigay ko, Okay, so sinishare ko lang dito yung experience ko sa pag-i-invest sa ating stock market. Okay? Okay, na kung titignan natin at pipindutin natin itong financials, makikita natin dito yung revenue na company, yung total revenue na company for the past 5 years. So nakikita natin dito guys na nag-grow yung kanyang revenue over the past 5 years. So from 2015 yung kanilang revenue ay nasa 5.3 billion pesos lang, and fast forward to 2019 na nasa 7.4 billion pesos sa revenue na ang company. Okay, so that's a positive sign. Na kung titignan natin dito, wala pa dito yung sakop ng pandemic. Ngayon titignan natin kung gaano siya naapektuhan ng pandemic, Kung titignan natin dito guys, yung kanyang revenue. Okay, kung titignan natin dito yung revenue ng company in trailing 12 months ay nasa 4.6 billion pesos. So talagang malaki yung kanilang nabawas sa kanilang revenue. And also, kung titignan natin dito yung net income ng company for the past 5 years, nag-grow din yung kanilang net income. So nakikita natin dito in 2015 yung kanilang net income ay nasa 1.5 billion pesos And fast forward to 2019 na nasa 2.6 billion pesos net income ang company. And also kung titignan natin dito, yung net income ng company in trailing 12 months ay nasa 893.67 million na lang yung net income ng company. And also nakikita din natin dito na sobrang laki ng tapyas or sobrang laki ng binaba ng net income ng company, no? So, syempre dahil sa kadahilanan na rin ng pandemic and wala masyadong pumupunta sa mga business nila and walang masyadong tourism na dumarating sa Pilipinas. Now, kung titignan natin dito yung quarter to quarter revenue ng company, no? Kung titignan natin dito yung third quarter revenue ng company ay nasa 905 million pesos lang compared to the same quarter last year na nasa 1.5 billion pesos sa revenue ang company. And kung titignan natin dito, no, yung net income ng company na third quarter of 2020 nasa negative 45.9 million pesos down ng company. And kung titignan natin dito yung comparison in the same quarter last year na nasa 513.5 million pesos yung net income ng company. So nakikita natin talagang sobrang laki ng difference. Kaya kung titignan natin dito yung financial position ng company, no, nakikita natin dito yung short-term assets ng company ay nasa 11.53 billion pesos and yung kanyang short-term liabilities ay nasa 5.83 billion pesos. So nakikita natin dito na halos 2 times na mas malaki yung short-term assets ng company kaysa sa short-term liabilities ng company. That's a positive sign, no? So sinasabi dito sa atin na 1.97 times kaya nilang punan yung short-term liabilities ng company gamit lamang yung kanilang short-term assets. And also guys, no, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam and bago pa lang sa pag-i-invest, yung minute yung short-term assets, ito yung assets na company na kaya nilang i-liquidate into cash within a year. No, kung halimbawa, walang revenue ang company and talaga nangangailangan sila ng cash para masustain yung utang nila, yung gagamitin dito yung short-term assets ng company. Okay? So, ito namang short-term liabilities, ito naman yung obligations na company within a year. Okay? So, nakikita naman natin dito also yung long-term assets ng company and long-term liabilities ng company. So, nakikita natin yung long-term assets ng company ay nasa 31.6 billion pesos. Titignan natin dito yung long-term liabilities ng company ay nasa 7.8 billion pesos lang. So, nakikita natin also dito na sobrang laki ng difference ng long-term assets and long-term liabilities. And even though nakikita natin na natataasan pa, no, na kaya pampunan ng short-term assets yung long-term liabilities ng company. That's a positive sign. So in terms of financial position and financial health na company, so nasa excellent etong company, no. And also guys, no, titignan natin dito yung debt to earnings ng company. Nakikita natin na sobrang baba ng kanilang debt to earnings, no. So dito sinasabi lang dito sa atin na wala masyadong interest expense na kinikater itong company. So ang gusto kasi natin makita dito guys, sa debt to earnings na company ay nasa 3 pababa yung kanyang debt to earnings. Pero dito, nasa 1.7 yung kanilang debt to earnings. So meaning, 1.7 years kaya nilang bayaran yung kanilang long-term liabilities gamit lamang yung kanilang net income. So that's a positive sign. Natin dito yung debt to equity ng company naman. Nakikita natin dito yung debt to equity ng company annual ay nasa 26.26%. And yung quarterly na debt to equity ng company nasa 30.14% debt to equity. So, sinasabi dito sa atin guys ng debt to equity na in every 1 peso na ginagamit ng company sa kanyang operation, 14% ng 1 peso ay financed by utang. Okay, so nasa excellent position pa rin ang company, no? Bakit natin nasabi? Kasi guys, kapag nagre-review tayo ng stocks, ang gusto natin makita sa debt to equity ng nire-review nating stocks ay nasa 40% pababa. So which in this case ay nasa 30.14%. So that's a positive sign, no? Nakita naman natin na negative sa company ngayon. Nakikita natin dito guys, yung kanilang dividend yield, no, ay tumaas in trailing 12 months na nasa 7.10% yung kanilang dividend yield, and 5 years average na dividend yield na company nasa 4.51% lang, no? So significantly nag-grow yung kanilang dividend. Okay, but kung titignan natin dito guys, yung payout ratio ng company ay nasa 131.10% in trailing 12 months. So nakikita natin na talagang sobrang laki ng kanilang payout ratio. No? Remember, ang gusto natin makita ang payout ratio ng company ay hindi lalagpas ng 70% yung payout ratio ng company. Pero dito, yung trailing 12 months payout ratio ng company nasa 131.10% and yung sa annual lang nila ay nasa 44.89%, no? Yung nakita nating isang negative ngayon sa company, no? So, nagbibigay sila ng dividend pero yung kanilang payout ratio ay sobrang laki, no? And isa pa nating nakitang negative sa company yung kanilang free cash flow, no? Kung titignan natin dito guys, yung free cash flow na company in annual basis ay nasa 3.09 billion pesos free cash flow ang company. And now, in trailing 12 months ay nasa negative 1.3 billion pesos. So nakikita natin na talagang significantly na nagbaba or naging negative yung kanilang free cash flow, no? So syempre sa kadahilanan na rin ng pandemic and also yung limitado lang yung pumapasok sa mga establishment nitong company. Kaya nakikita natin yung free cash flow ng company ay nasa negative ngayon, no? And naapektuhan yung kanilang payout ratio na binibigay sa kanilang dividendo. Okay? Kasi yung mga nakita nating negative sa company, ito ay temporarily setbacks lang, no? Kasi kung titignan natin yung kanilang balance sheet, no, and kung titignan natin dito yung kanilang debt to equity and debt to earnings na company, talagang sinasabi sa atin na okay and maganda yung quality ng kanilang balance sheet. So ang tanong, bakit natin sinama itong company sa high earnings growth potential companies in the next 1 to 2 years, no? Kung titignan kasi natin dito guys yung Philippine gaming industries and yung Philippine casino gross gaming revenue, nakikita natin dito yung compound annual growth rates for the past 5 years na company ay nasa 17%. Oh. So nakikita natin dito na talagang over the years nag-grow yung gross gaming industries, no? As analyst sa company sa kanilang revenue and earnings in the end of 2022, yung projection ng mga analyst sa kanilang revenue ay nasa 6.4 billion pesos in the end of 2022 and earnings projections ay nasa 1.9 billion pesos. So dito nakikita natin na talaga mag-grow pa yung earnings ng company and revenue. Okay na. Okay, and this is the ownership breakdown ng company. So nakikita natin dito guys, 3.8% owned by individual insiders, 5.5% owned by institution, 25.4% owned by private companies, 27.7% owned by public companies, 37.7% owned by general public. So nakikita natin dito no in terms of dilution of shares. So ang company ay nasa good side, no. So wala silang dilution of shares or diluted shares. So yung meaning lang ng dilution of shares kapag nag-i-issue ng shares or nagre-raise ng shares ang company, bumababa yung ownership percentage ng mga shareholders ng company. Okay? And this is the top shareholders ng company. Nakikita natin dito, 26.68% owned by SM Investment Corporation and merong current value na 4.4 billion pesos and susundan ni Sysmart Corporations na merong 16.69% ownership sa company and 2.7 billion pesos current value. Okay? So, and this is the rest of top shareholders ng company. Tumako tayo sa valuations ngayon ng company. Kung titignan natin dito yung valuations natin ngayon sa company, yung ating intrinsic value sa company nasa 1.14 pesos per share. Samantalang yung current price na company ay nasa 1.70 pesos per share. So, yung current price na company ay above na sa intrinsic value natin. So, nasa hold tayo sa company, no? Nasa overvalue yung company ngayon, no? So, kung ito yung tinitignan nyo guys, kung yung tinitignan nyo sa company ay ang current intrinsic value, ito yon. Na kung titignan natin dito, yung future intrinsic value ng company, so ang gagawin natin dito guys, kukunin natin yung average PE ratio ng company for the past 5 years, which is nasa 12.92. Times natin yung ating forecasted net income ng company in the end of 2022. Kuha natin future market capitalizations ng company ay nasa 25.82 billion pesos. So ito yung gagamitin natin para i-divide yung current market cap na company sa future market cap na company, which is ito yon. Okay, so para makuha natin yung future intrinsic value ng company. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin yung current market cap ng company ngayon na nasa 16.4 billion pesos dito sa ating future market cap ng company na nasa 25.8 billion pesos. Okay, so yung nakuha natin ay nasa 0.63 or 0.64 kung i-round off natin yan, no? Gagawin natin yung current price ng company, i-divide natin dito sa ating nakuhang sagot para makuha yung intrinsic value ng future intrinsic value ng company. O kasi nakuha nating future intrinsic value ng company ay nasa 2.65 pesos per share, no? Assuming na ma-reach na company yung forecasted net income ng mga analysts sa company, no? So nasa 2.65 pesos per share. This is the current and future intrinsic value ng company. So it's up to you kung ano yung ginagamit nyo sa pag-invest sa company, either yung current intrinsic value ng company or yung future intrinsic value ng company. Pero for me, ang ginagamit ko kapag nag-i-invest ako sa company ay ang current intrinsic value ng company. Okay? I guess hanggang dito na lang muna yung pagre-review natin sa company. And maraming salamat guys sa inyo sa suporta. Nasa 3,000 subscribers na yung ating channel, no? Asahan nyo pa na marami pang videos na paparating, and asahan nyo na marami pa kayong matutunan about investing dito sa ating channel. And maraming salamat guys. And kung nagustuhan nyo tong ating videos, so huwag nyo kakalimutan na i-like. And kung di ka man nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe para ma-notify ka sa mga videos na paparating dito sa ating channel. And guys, kung hindi mo pa nagagamit yung ating screener, no, nasa descriptions natin sa baba yung link ng ating screener. And nasa dulo ng ating video yung walkthrough ng ating screener. Okay guys, so maraming salamat again. And as always, guys, invest wisely and see you on the other side. Hello guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana marami kayo natutunan sa video na to. So kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na parating at marami pa kayong matututunan sa channel na ito. Maraming salamat!